My name is Stefania Gibb. I am enrolled in Dov Baron's Authentic Speaker Academy for Leadership. And I'd like to share something with you today. Did you know that according to CanadianWomen.org and sexassault.ca, that 66% of all female victims of sexual abuse are under the age of 25, and that 11% are under the age of 11, and that 80% of the assailants are friends or family of the victims. The reason I share this with you is because I also have been a victim of sexual abuse, and I can understand the trauma that you may have been living with now or have carried with you for years. And I would recommend that you find help in the way of a mentor or a community who can help you to process the trauma that you have been living with, as I did. Thank you for listening. You may contact me at stefaniagibb@gmail.com. That's STEPHANIAGIBB@gmail.com. And I will help you to find the assistance that you require. Thank you for listening. My name is Stefania Gibb.